What's going on, guys? Marky Williams over here, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on this must-have certification to avoid getting yourself in serious trouble. Please make sure you like, subscribe, so you won't miss any new training certifications that have to do with the workforce, whether it be working remotely or starting a home-based business or the food industry, or a leisure course such as this one, drone flying. Also comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can happily send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. The Federal Aviation Admin FAA announced on June 22, 2016, the FAA drone rules and regulation change for commercial drone pilots. The FAA considers any drone flight that promotes a business in any way or a drone flight that is conducted to make money to be a commercial UAV flight, also known as non-recreational use. Non-recreational use, as defined by the FAA, can include everything from a fire department conducting search and rescue missions, a business filming events footage, to trained employees, an architect or engineer surveying property. Old UAV regulations in the past, the FAA drone rules and commercial UAV unmanned aerial vehicle flights require that the pilot fly under a 333 exemption, which usually took 4 to 6 months to get back from the FAA. Once you actually got your exemption, the pilot of the drone had to have a current pilot license. That's right, a manned pilot license for either a helicopter, airplane, hot air balloon, or some equivalent. This obviously severely limited the market. The new UAV regulations, the new FAA drone rules and regulations for drone pilots provide a much simpler process. Commercial drone pilots will need to pass a FAA Part 107 Airman Knowledge Test at a local FAA testing center. This FAA drone test is essentially a shorter version of a traditional private pilot ground school. The FAA drone test is 2 hours long and 60 questions. This DART Drone Part 107 study guide has curated all of the information that you need to know to take and pass the Part 107 FAA drone test, as well as UAV school tips, details, and Part 107 practice questions. Airman Knowledge Test details and taking a part of the 107 exam requirements for the Part 107 FAA drone test. The remote pilot in command must be at least 16 years old, be able to read, write, speak, and understand English, be in a physical and mental condition that would not interfere with safe SUAS operations, and fulfill all testing requirements. Drone registration versus drone certification. There's a difference. Many UAV operators are confused by the language distinguishing UAV registration from UAV certification. These terms do not mean the same thing. You must register your drone with the FAA before doing anything else, even if you're just a hobbyist. Drone registration. All drones weighing between 0.55 pounds and 555 pounds must be registered with the FAA for a $5 fee. Your registration will be valid for 3 years and should be modified or canceled if you sell or transfer its ownership in any other way. The FAA may impose steep penalties for anyone who fails to register his or her drone. Civil penalties can range anywhere from $0 to $27,500, and criminal penalties can reach $250,000 and up to 3 years in prison. Drone certification. Drone pilot certification, on the other hand, occurs when an operator obtains a remote pilot certification earned by passing the Part 107 FAA drone test. Once you pass the Part 107 exam, you will be able to apply for certification either online or by mail. When you submit an application online, you must submit it using IACRA, the FAA's online application system designed to enable the certification of private and UAV pilots. After submitting your application, you will receive an email notification to print and sign a temporary certificate via IACRA. This temporary certificate will be valid until your permanent certificate arrives by mail. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. You will also find me on Facebook, Marky Williams, where I also have a Facebook page, online certification course, where you can like and follow as well. So once again, many thanks. Marky Williams, and I'm out.